I was going to start off this morning's video with showing you how to set up my Poda Performer, but I ended up going to do a boxing on video first. I mean to say a video unboxing. I've been having a little bit of trouble with my audio, so I thought I'd get myself one of these. This is a DJI Mic Mini. Sounds like something from you-know-who's. So I'm going to open up the Mic Mini and we're going to see what's inside, and it'll be my very first unboxing video. So, DJI Mic Mini. So why don't we just take a second and open up the box here. Right? Remember, we use the knife to always cut away from you. Especially if they're good knives. So all I did was a bunch of video reviews on this. I didn't really buy it by chance, and they didn't send it to me, so this is my own video. It's not going to be a review because I've never used one before, so I can't have a comparison to anything, but I will unbox it. If any of you guys have any comments about it, or things you like about it or don't like about it, just send me a little note, please. I'd appreciate it. See how easy the box is to open? Oh, here we go. All right. So let's see what it says here. It says small, ultralight, discreet. Okay. High quality audio with stable transmission, 48-hour operation by using with the case. I'm assuming the case is probably a charger as well. It says a direct connection for sound quality, so it docks right into your phone. 2-level active noise canceling. Well, that's kind of handy in case you have some background noise you wanted to get rid of. And this is automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. So that's kind of nice too. All right, so what do we get in the box here? All right, well, in the box we got some stickers. Who doesn't like stickers, right? So we got some stickers and an instruction manual here. Let's have a look and see what's in these. Why did they bother putting all that inside that plastic bag? Holy smokes. In a rip-proof bag, too. A piece of paper inside a plastic bag. That's the first thing I'm not impressed with. Probably can't... Well, I guess you could recycle the plastics. I guess it isn't all that bad. All right, let's see here. Oh, I see. That's sort of the layout. It says bring the memory card. I'm not quite sure what that means just yet. So we'll have a look. Here's the instructions. The quick start guide. Wow. Well, safety guidelines. I suppose using a microphone is quite dangerous. All right, just sort of some basic instructions on how to set it up initially. Oh, this one's USB-C, so that means it'll work with my iPhone 16. I don't know how far back iPhones go with the USB-C connectors now, but I brought both just in case. I got my old iPhone 11 here, and that's got the lightning cable. And there's my iPhone 16, and that'll be a USB-C. So we'll get to see how that works. Excuse me. All right, well, let's keep those handy, and we'll go into the next step here. That's just more safety guidelines, but I'll let you guys read those. Okay, so here's the little box itself. Again, another giant plastic bag. As you can tell, I like recycling. Let's put this stuff in here so it doesn't blow away. It's beautiful out here to Kejimkujik today. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go for a walk later on after I play a little radio here. It's going to be a little fun. Let's get a little tag here. Let's see what this one says. It's got the name of the product in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's got the name of the product in 13 languages. How convenient is that? I mean, you just never know, right? I wonder if somebody on language number 13 is doing the same unboxing video. All right, it's got this really nice padded case. What a sharp little case. It's even got a little place to hang it off your knapsack or off your belt. It's wide enough to go right off your belt, so that's kind of nice. Now let's see what's inside here. A little dry pack, probably good to hang on to that. And that's the end of the bag. Okay. Oh, it's got those little windbreakers, or again, another plastic bag. Oh, look at that. Oh, there must be 2 mics. Ooh. Okay. And another plastic bag. Oh, and then more plastic inside again. Nice little audio cable. That looks like a nice quality one. It's nice having the ones with the right angles, because most equipment lays on its end or whatever, and it's nice to have these come off at right angles. And that looks like just a regular USB-C to USB-A. I guess it's okay, but eventually we're all going to need USB-C on both ends, but oops. All right. Now, the main product, the DJI Mic Mini. Good Lord. There was nothing satisfying about ripping that off. More plastic. And here it is. It's about maybe 3.5 to 3 3/4 inches long, a good 1.25 inches fat, and probably, what, 1 3/4 across. Looks pretty nice. And here it says, press to unlock. All right. That's just what we did here. There it goes. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I guess we can remove the tag now. Oh, we better do it correctly. We better remove it with the little yellow tab here. And just see, look. That was satisfying. That's all they needed for plastic in this thing. This thing's bulletproof. All right, so inside we have, looks like 2 microphones. Wow, look how small they are. They're already illuminated, already lit up. I don't know if that's magnetic or not. Oh, it is. Look at that, a magnetic mic. Wowzer. That is pretty cool. So it has a nice little magnet on it. It's like you can attach it to the side of your car, to your pocket knife, or how handy is that? Plus it has a lapel clip built right in. If you can see that, nice little lapel clip. Looks good, DJI. And I'm probably guessing that these little things just clip right on here. Wow. Doesn't help to have arthritic fingers. Look at that. Actually, I have carpal tunnel in this hand and arthritis in fingers in this hand, but that's all right. We'll see if we can do it. These are pretty small, I will say. Oh, I see. It goes that way. It has little places to lock it in place here. So, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that cool? What are we going to name him? He should be DJ, right? Look at the hair on him. He's funky. Oh, this guy's got blue hair. And we have the other piece here too. Same exact thing. It's like putting together the Muppets here. Wow, look at that. Wow. It must be frustrating to watch me. There we go. Look at him, huh? He's got blue hair. Now he's pretty funky too, so what should we call him? This guy was DJ. Should we just call him Frank or something like that? This is Frank. Let's call him Frank. It looks like a good name for him. Blue-haired Frank. And we don't need the other little bits here, so we'll put them right back in the bag. Look at that, they're made for each other. Okay, there we go. And I guess we don't need these right at the moment either. So. All right, so now we have the transmitter. Wow. So all of these ones here will charge in the case. This is the transmitter. No, it's not. Well, it's the receiver, not the transmitter. And I can't tell if there's a USB card in here or not. Let's have a look here and just see. Wow, look at that. I don't know what that is. Have to look that up. Eh? Might have been in the instructions. Let's go have a look here. You know, they always say if all else fails to read the instructions. So let's have a look and see what that was for. Oh, it's meant for a camera cold shoe. Connect the audio cable. Look at that. Okay, so it's for a camera hot shoe. Kind of nice. All right, so this thing isn't beeping on and off anymore. It's gone dark here. I guess that's a good thing. And this is the charging case. And inside is another USB-C. Oh, wait a minute now. No. All right. So that docks into here for your iPhone. And I suppose if you had one with a lightning port, it would be just the same as this, only with the lightning in and not the USB-C. So let's see if the phone recognizes it. And once you put it in, your phone will automatically pick it up and you're ready to go. So now you can mount this to your tripod, take your pictures, whatever you need, it's all ready to go. And to put it all back together, it's really simple. Just do everything in reverse. So the little hot shoe comes out, or the little USB-C shoe. Sounds like Ed Sullivan. It's going to be a shoe. That just goes in its little keeper. The only thing I don't like about this is this little cover. This has potential to being lost. It just does. Like, it's not something that seems very secure. But it does just fit in there, clicks right in. This goes in just the reverse. Right? You can just follow. If you're not sure, just look at the bottom. See the 4 little pins there. They'll dock right on top of that. That's done. 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 Look at that, eh? Done. That goes in your pocket. Actually, it goes right back in your case and then in your pocket. So far, so good. Let's go try it out.